Hello and welcome, everyone. Great to have you here. Fantastic to see so many of you on the call, so many of you coming through. Fran, if I could, there you go, perfect. Look, this is one of the highlights of my year. It's a great event that we run every quarter, and it's a wonderful opportunity to show you how you can get your first board seat. Make sure you say hello in the chat, otherwise I get very lonely. So let me know where you're calling in from, where you're watching from in the chat. Say hello, and yeah, make sure I don't get too lonely up here. All right, we've got hello from London. Thank you, Cambridge. Yeah, good. I have a house in Cambridge. All right, let's get this show on the road. So look, apart from, wow, we've got people from everywhere. That is awesome. So apart from just keeping me so I don't get lonely, there is another opportunity here. So the more you engage, the more you'll get out from this workshop, and the more you engage, the more you get involved. My team is going to be watching closely, and the top 10 people that are the most enthusiastic and they'll ask the smartest questions are going to be invited to have a free 90-minute session with me. So that's always really good fun. So yeah, it's not just about just talking for the sake of talking. There's great opportunities here as well. And you also get to connect with other people on the call. So a quick background for those of you that are not familiar with me. My name is Callum Laing. I am your host for today. So just background, I've been an entrepreneur for nearly 30 years now, lots of different companies. My core business is mergers and acquisitions and taking companies public. I've taken over 100 companies public. And it's kind of because of that that I learned what were the sort of the pros and the cons of the boardroom, and some of the problems and how you can circumvent them to get your first board seat.